Hello guys and welcome back to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your Cash App balance. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, there is no direct way or some feature that would allow you to hide your balance or the cash balance here from the Cash App mobile app, but you can work around on this by using some method. So as you can see here, we have this clue or this step that you can try is that you can transfer the balance to your linked bank account or debit card that you are using. So after that, you can start enabling security features like PIN or Touch ID to prevent unauthorized access. So basically, all you will be needing is to cash out and send your balance to your debit card or to all your linked or to any of your linked bank accounts, and after that you will be just needing to the privacy settings, and from there or the security settings, and basically from there you can just add in some pin code, etc. So from here in the account setting you can see the security and the privacy, and then you can get your security lock to be on, and it will require a face ID or your cash pin, so you can start adding a layer of security to your app and avoid some unauthorized access. And basically by this method you will somehow hide your cash app balance by just transferring it, and basically that's all you can do. So those were the steps on how to do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.